Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Suhail Ahmad and you're watching my YouTube channel Vandalas Holidays in Rush. In my today's video, I will be showing you Al Masjid Al Nabawi, also called as Prophet's Mosque, from its basement to the rooftop and also its sliding domes. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. This mosque was built by our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the city of Medina of Saudi Arabia. It was the second mosque built by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Medina after Masjid Quba and is now one of the largest mosques in the world. It is the second holiest site in Islam after the Masjid Al Haram in Makkah. The land of Al-Masjid Al-Nabawi belonged to two young orphans named Sahil and Suhail, and when they came to know that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam wished to acquire the land for the purpose of erecting a mosque, they went to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and offered their land to him as a gift. But Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam insisted on paying the price for the land because they were orphan children. The price agreed upon was paid by Abu Ayyub al-Ansari, who thus became the donor of Al-Masjid al-Nabawi on behalf of or in favor of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Al-Ansari also accommodated Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam upon his arrival at Medina in 622 AD. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam shared in the construction of the mosque, originally an open-air building. The mosque served as a community center, a court of law, and religious school. There was a raised platform or pulpit, in other words called as minbar, for the people who taught the Quran, and for Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to give the Friday sermon, also called as khutbah. Later Islamic rulers greatly extended and decorated the mosque, naming its walls, doors and minarets after themselves and their forefathers. The roof is accessed by stairs and escalators. The sliding domes and retractable umbrella-like canopies were designed by the German Muslim architect named Mahmud Bodorash. A team of expert Moroccan craftsmen worked around the clock for the development. When the intricate detail in a cladding was in place, work to begin on installing the dome layers. The steel skeleton designed to strengthen the prototype and give it shape was craned into position in one piece. and mineral wool was added to provide insulation. Refinement and adjustment were made to the inner surface of the wooden cladding to enhance and increase its aesthetic appeal and beauty. The outer cladding was made from the combination of modern state-of-art carbon fiber and traditional ceramic tile was put in position, sealed and topped with brass and gold-plated finial. It took 3 years to complete the work. Upon seeing the prototype in operation and its design, the custodian of the two holy mosques gave his approval and the work began on building the other 26 sliding domes. One of the most notable features of the site is the green dome. In the southeast corner of the mosque, originally Aisha radiallahu anhu's house where the tomb of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is located. Many pilgrims who perform Hajj or Umrah also come to Medina to visit the green dome, which is also called as Roda of a Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It now incorporates the final resting place of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the first two Rashidun Khalifas, Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu and Umar Farooq radiallahu anhu.
तेरी मोहब्बत की महक से ये ज़मीन व आसमां आबाद है रहमत की बरसात आती है दिलो जान या रसूल अल्लाह